Okay, so we're going to be going to the sentencing portion of Amber Guyger's trial. Now, the jury does not have the option of giving her probation. Their range of punishment is 5 years minimum to 99 years maximum. And what's going to happen is the family will give an impact statement, basically just expressing themselves and how they feel about things and how much time they think she should get. And she'll have the opportunity to speak as well. The district attorney will lay out a case for what he believes she should get, and the defense will lay down a case for what they think she should not get. In Texas, you have the option of having a jury decide your punishment when they convict you, or you can go to the judge. I think in this case they would have done better to go to the judge, but that's their call, and the results of that will undoubtedly be. I just don't see the jury having a lot of sympathy for it. I'm thinking they're going to give her somewhere between 5 and 10 years. In Texas, because murder is considered an aggravated crime, she'll have to do 2/3 of that before she's eligible for parole. So on a 5-year sentence, she'd have to do 3 years and 8 months before she can be eligible for parole. She has no prior criminal history. This is her first conviction, and if it had been manslaughter, she would have had the option. I mean, the jury would have had the option of probation. Manslaughter would have been 2-year minimum up to 20-year minimum. Quite a bit of difference there. But there are no winners in this case. We're not able to bring Botham back, and there's a mother out there that's lost a son, a sister that's lost a brother. And in Amber Guyger's family, there's a mother that's lost a daughter, because she'll never come back from this. It just doesn't happen. But we'll go over to. I was looking through the comments on the video I did about the guilty verdict, and the comments are all over the map. Oh, and there were some comments about my hair. So, just a quick side note here. I was growing my hair out to do the Locks of Love for the cancer kids. I used to do that every other year, and I haven't done it in several years now. And that's what I was working on. But I don't know. I couldn't complete the task this year. I just could not stand that long hair anymore. So I chopped it off. This is what you get. You'll also notice the beard is gone. And I'm not saying for sure this is going, but it may go at least for a minute as well, because I'm going to be out doing audits again here very shortly. And since everybody knows my face, I want to change it up just a little. Matter of fact, some of my immediate audits that are coming up may be a bit provocative. But all right, so let's go over to the sentencing phase of the Amber Guyger trial.
The judge, permission to publish. 2018 at the MLK Parade. Text message sent to the defendant asked, "Are you working this parade?" Other messages came in from the defendant. "Yes, grandsons are on the other side if she can get through." Other message, "Where's Justin's number? Can you ask him if he told this lady?" Another message, "Held on, I worked it for 10 years, I'm good." Another message that came into the defendant's cell phone says no. A message sent out said, "LOL, dang, yep, you deserve to have it off. Was hoping you were just to say hi, miss y'all." Message sent to the defendant, "Miss you too." Message sent to the defendant, "When does this end? LOL." Outgoing message from the defendant, "When MLK is dead, ... Oh wait, ... Incoming message says, "Ha." Outgoing message, "Geez, 2.5 hours on 3 hours of this." Incoming message, "You could have met one. LOL, next time." Incoming message, "Standing at Hardwood and MLK on opposite end." Outgoing message, "Just push them or spray with your pepper spray in that general area." Six exhibit number 354. Again, an extraction report from the data from the defendant's cell phone. This is dated September 4th, 2018. Incoming message, "Do you know what you need? A German Shepherd." Incoming message, "I happen to have one for you." Incoming message, "She's not very smart, but she'll love you." Outgoing message, "LOL, is it your dog?" Incoming message, No, it's your dog." Incoming message, "Although she may be racist." Outgoing message, "I wish I could have one, but not in this apartment. Smaller than my old one." Outgoing message, "It's okay, I'm the same." Incoming message, LMAO. Outgoing message, "I hate everything and everyone but y'all." Outgoing message, "Ranger would be eaten alive." Incoming message, "Haha, no you don't." State's exhibit number 355. Again, this is an extraction report taken from the defendant's cell phone, dated March 9th, 2018. Text from Martin Rivera. Incoming, "Damn, I was at this area with 5 different black officers. Not racist, but damn." Outgoing message, "Not racist, but just have a different way of working, and it shows." Just a moment, Your Honor.
Just a quick commentary here about the text messages. Amongst cops, racism is rampant. Okay? I don't care what anybody tells you. Racism is rampant.
The state would like to offer into evidence State's Exhibit number 401 and State's Exhibit number 357, 358, and 359, tender into defense counsel for objections.
What was 359?
359 is going to be one of the social media posts.
Judge, no objection to State Exhibit 401, the business record with a single page.
That would be admitted.
We object to State Exhibit 357 pursuant to Rule 901 of the Texas Rules of Evidence, as well as 401 and the balancing test in Rule 403. And object to State's Exhibit 358 pursuant to Rule 901 of the Texas Rules of Evidence, as well as under 401 and the balancing test under 403. And defense objects to State's Exhibit 359 pursuant to Rule 901 and that these are not properly authenticated, and under 401 and the balancing test of 403.
And permission to publish these, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll hold those. And then just one more, Your Honor. The state will also like to offer at this time State's Exhibit number 400, tendering to defense counsel for objection.
Your Honor, State's Exhibit 400 is the application processing unit records for reasons stated previously on the record.
Your objections are overruled.
And permission to publish.
Yes. Very good.
State's Exhibit number 400, under business records affidavit, are records from the Dallas Police Department and their applicant process unit. Dated for August 23rd, 2012. The defendant's name, Amber Guyger, preliminary interview for the Dallas Police Department. Page 2, Section 3. Question B, have you ever applied with any law enforcement agency, fire department, or related work, including cadet or explorer? Yes or no? Circles, yes. Date and position applied, approximately June 7, 2012, to the Fort Worth Police Department. Fort Worth, denied, police officer. Approximately July 15, 2012, DFW Airport, police officer. Page 4 of State's Exhibit 400. Drug usage. A, have you ever smoked or experimented with marijuana? Circles, yes. Number of occasions, 3. First used, July 2009. Last used, June 20th, 2011.
Thank you.
Last page, drug usage. Dates used, July 2009, last used, June 2011, first time, July 2009. Second question, total number of times used, 3. Ever bought? No. Ever possessed more than 4 ounces of marijuana? No. Narrative. First tried right out of high school with friends. Then in 2011, two times, 2X, friend's birthday. August 23rd, 2012. State's Exhibit number 357, taken from the defendant's Pinterest account. And it states, I wear all black to remind you not to mess with me because I'm already dressed for your funeral. The bottom of States 357. Amber with a smiley face, saved to love to laugh. Comment, yeah, I got me a gun, a shovel, and gloves. If I were you, back the fuck up and get out of me fucking ass. State's Exhibit number 358. States, stay low, go fast, kill first, die last. One shot, one kill, no luck, all skill. At the bottom, it says Amber, and the comment says Navy SEALs. Saved her quotes and inspiration. State's Exhibit number 359. States, people are so ungrateful. No one ever thanks me for having the patience not to kill them. At the bottom of State's Exhibit number 359, Amber, smiley face, save the love to laugh, comment, grateful minion.
You have your vote? Yes.
And so there you have it. The prosecution is painting Amber Guyger as a racist and someone predisposed to violence. I think that the jury already has sees her in a less than favorable light, and the defense team is going to have to overcome that. The mother's testimony, her victim impact statement was very, very powerful, as was his sister's. And it's going to be difficult for the defense team to overcome that. There were some changes in the law. I had to actually look it up. So I have initially said that I thought that they would probably give her a minimum sentence, something between 5 and 10. But I have to say that the more of this I see now that they've managed to get the race card into it and all that other stuff, I can't even hazard a guess. But there were changes in the law, and I was saying that she had to do two-thirds of her time before she was eligible for parole for whatever they gave her. I was wrong. She has to do 1/2 of her sentence. The sentence range is 5 to 99, and whatever they give her before she becomes eligible for parole, she must do 1/2 or 30 years. Okay? Then she becomes eligible for parole. That doesn't mean she makes it. Although, given who she is and everything, I suspect that she'll make her first parole. Another change in the law. It used to be if you got 10 years or less, you could put in an appeal, and while you were on appeal, you could post a bond and be out of jail. Texas changed that law for certain cases last year. That's no longer the case for murder and certain other crimes. Once you're convicted, you're convicted. So she will not be able to appeal and post a bond and be on the streets during that time. So tomorrow we cover the defense team's rebuttal to what was covered today, and then we wait for the punishment phase to wrap up with the jury deciding her fate. And that is where we're at. Based on what I'm seeing from this prosecution team, I believe that they are going to ask for the maximum sentence, 99 years. But that is it, guys. I will see you again tomorrow when we catch up with the defense team and see what they got to say. And then, when the jury comes back, we got that as well. Y'all be safe, and I'll see you soon.